Let me ask you something. Have you ever seen a very intelligent person make a decision so bad that you thought, wait, aren't you supposed to be smart? Good grades, sharp brain, high IQ, and yet boom, a troubled decision. Today we are going to uncover why smart people still make stupid decisions. And trust me, this has nothing to do with intelligence. Here's the truth most people don't realize. Being smart does not mean being wise. Intelligence helps you solve problems, but decisions, they are controlled by emotions, habits, and biases. Brain don't always choose what's right. It chooses what feels comfortable. Yes, even smart brains are lazy sometimes. When emotions are high, logic goes low. Anger, fear, excitement, pressure, these emotions can hijack the brain. That's why smart students procrastinate. Intelligent people stay in toxic situations. Clever minds make impulsive decisions. In emotional moments, your brain switches from thinking mode to survival mode, and survival mode is not very smart. Another reason, cognitive biases, mental traps your brain falls into. One example is confirmation bias. We only believe information that agrees with us and ignore everything else. So even smart people think I can be wrong because I'm smart. Spoiler alert, that mindset creates the biggest mistakes. Smart people often trust their brains too much. They stop questioning, they stop checking, they stop listening, and overconfidence quietly destroys good decision making. Being smart is not enough. You need self awareness, emotional control, and humility because the smartest decision you can ever make is knowing that your brain is not always right. Thank you everyone for listening to me. Assalamu alaikum. See you in the next video, inshallah.